Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and connect Discord on your Windows 11 computer. First, head to your Chrome browser. You could actually use any browser of your choice, but I actually prefer Chrome. Now search for download Discord for PC. And you can see over here, download Discord to talk, chat and hang out. So click on the first link over here. Now I'll provide the direct link to this page in the video description. Now click on the download button over here, download for Windows, and it should start downloading. Successfully downloaded. Now let's close this, close our browser, and then open our download folder. You can see this is Discord setup file, so let's run it. Now you could either log in with your email and password or log in with a QR code. So if you know your email and password, then you can just log in directly, but I will also show you how to log in with the QR code, since that is a lot easier. Now on your Discord app, click on your profile and then click on scan QR code down there. So once you scan the code on your PC screen, it would connect with your Discord. So click on yes, log me in on your mobile phone, and yep, you are in. So basically this is how to download, install and connect Discord on your Windows 11 computer. If this was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.